How can we use the most advanced technology to save the planet? Robots and autonomous systems are no longer just factory tools. They have become a powerful force for tackling global environmental challenges. Their use focuses on operating where humans cannot, or on tasks that require precision and efficiency that are key to sustainability. One of the biggest areas of impact is cleaning large bodies of water. Autonomous aquatic robots, like 4Ocean, navigate quietly in ports and rivers to detect, classify, and collect floating debris, especially plastics. This reduces pollution before it harms marine life. But they don't just clean. Robots are also being designed for delicate habitat restoration tasks. For example, specific robots are used to replant and restore seagrass meadows, one of the most crucial ecosystems for carbon capture on the planet. In the fields, robots are redefining agriculture to make it greener and more sustainable. Instead of spraying entire fields, ground robots equipped with computer vision and artificial intelligence can identify weeds individually. This allows herbicides to be applied only to the target plant, reducing chemical use by up to 90%. Furthermore, sensors and robotic systems regulate irrigation automatically, applying the exact amount of water that each section of the crop needs. This smart water management prevents the waste of a critical resource. Robotics facilitates continuous data collection and direct action across vast areas. Drones not only detect wildfires at very early stages using infrared cameras, but they also carry out mass reforestation missions, sowing seeds or seedlings in hard-to-reach terrain. Separately, underwater and aerial robots equipped with sensors analyze water quality in lakes and oceans and measure pollutant concentrations in the air. This provides scientists and authorities with critical real-time data for conservation decisions. Finally, in recycling plants, robotic systems with computer vision are increasing the efficiency of material separation. They are capable of classifying plastics, paper, and metals at high speed and with precision, superior to traditional methods, which improves the quality of the recycled material. By automating dangerous or extremely precise tasks, robots allow humans to focus on data analysis and strategy planning, accelerating the transition toward a more sustainable future.